Hi, my name is Verde, and today I'm going to be going over the second tool that I learned. For this tool, I'm going to go ahead and head over to the Tools tab, go to Measure, and I'm going to click on Polygon Cutout. I'm going to cut out this cabinet right here. So I'm going to go to the corners. So as you can see, the square footage dropped. That's because we cut out this area of the cabinetry. What's interesting about this tool too, though, is that you could go ahead and add the square footage back in. Not necessarily into this tool, but back right here. So we'll go to Tools, go to Measure, and go to Area. And you see that paint bucket icon? It'll go ahead and fill in that area with the square footage of these cabinets, which is 22.48 square feet. And that's the tool that I learned. Thank you.